Hi friends, today we are going to solve luck balance problem of the greedy algorithm. This is quite an interesting problem and I really love this problem. So basically it states that Lina is preparing for an important coding competition that is preceded by a number of sequential preliminary contests. Initially her luck balance is zero. She believes in saving luck and wants to check her theory. Each contest is described by two integers Li and Ti. Li stands for luck and Ti is for importance, I guess. Yeah. Li is for luck and Ti is for importance. So you could say for Lena, she can lose all the unimportant contest, but for the important contest, there would be a minimum number of K values, the minimum number of important contests that she could lose. Okay, so basically our approach would be have to make sure that Lena gets as much luck as possible by losing as much contest as possible, which is kind of a contradictory statement, but can't help it. Even I also used it during coding competition. Generally, if it's not important to win, if how to say it, if it's a normal round, means if it's for the purpose of familiarity with the coding or the platform. So generally for me, the important goal was not to win that contest, but to understand how to work in that platform. So this is the basic idea. So first, the output format would be similar to this, and we you would be getting the output. The contest value would be some contest value is in this format. It is a nested array which each individual elements contains the luck that she can gain by losing that contest, and 1 stands for important and 0 stands for not important contest. N is the total number of contests that she will have to give, and K is the number of important contests that she could lose. So first you create two lists. One would be important contest and another would be not important contest. So once we have done that, so our job would be to segregate these values. As you could see, it's in a form of a nested value, which would be making our calculations difficult. So I would like to segregate individual values and keep those important contests in a different list variable altogether. And I will initialize the lug value as 0, and for each in contest of spelling error. Always check for the spelling errors because this could be a problem. And if it's not an important contest, it would automatically become a not so important contest to win. This is the basic idea. Once we have done that, so our job here becomes quite interesting. So I would expect Lena to lose all the not important contests. That's forgiven. She will lose it. What here she what here I will be doing is important contest equal to, will sort the important contest in descending order. So what I have done that I have taken the most important contest and sorted them. So once you have sorted that, the important contest value would become 8, 5, 2 and 1. This is the important contest value. Before it was like, before sorting, the values would be present in 2, 1 and 8. So now I've sorted it. So here the problem statement says that she can lose 3 contests, right? So what I will do is that I will create a sum till the number of contests that she could lose. And so for example, I will sum all these 3. I will sum all these 3, and I will sum all the not so important contests that that is not required for her to win to maximize her luck, and the number of contests that she cannot lose is the last one, which is contains the least amount of luck. So I will just subtract it. So this is the basic idea. Luck equal to sum of, as I said, that she can lose all the not so important contests. Then sum of important contest, but here also she could lose at most k number of values, or in this case is k number of values. So this is the amount of important contest that she could lose, and whichever contest she wins is automatically going to deduct that amount of luck from her. So it would be sum of the rest values. So okay, I hope you understand the Python syntaxing, slicing and dicing. So for example, if I explain this, so if k, let's take this example. K is the variable. So k of 3 would basically same as 8, 5 and 2, and k of 3 to the end. This in syntax, when the integer value is not specified, means the starting from the starting to value of 3. So this is the 0th index, 1 and second. So as I said, it is till 3, and it says that from 3 to end, whichever value is present there would be equal to 1. This is the basic idea. And return luck. I hope this is not required. Let's run the code. As you could see, it passed all the test cases. We have passed all the test cases, so we have basically solved the problem. And as I always say, that if you have a better approach, please comment below. Tell me the best approach, the most easiest way to solve this problem. And if you're able to solve this problem in an even lower complexity, if with a lower time complexity, tell me the approach. Please comment below. And as always, thanks for watching, and stay tuned for the next video.